Hello guys, LJ Manganz, and I'll show you how to have Cookie Clicker and make it rain. So I'll put a download link to the Reputouch Pro. You have to be rooted. So yeah, let's get started. So you wanna come to here. I'm gonna go to settings, and then yeah, I set it to infinite, and the play events at 10 speed. But I'll change it because I'm going to go to make it rain, and it's going to, yeah. So I'm going to go to this and then replace speed 20. And let's go. So I'm going to make it rain. And yeah, you have to be rooted. And I got lots, so I'm just going to hold that and then, oh. Swiping the wrong way. Okay, let's do it. Is it swiping? Oh, I didn't load it. Okay. No, not fast. Not fast. It's slider. Okay, let's do it. There we go. I'm not even doing anything. I'm just like watching. The hell, I'm getting a lot of money. Woohoo! Okay, I'll just stop it from there. By that. So now I'm gonna go on Cookie Clickers. So I'm gonna load it onto fast. I'm gonna set the replay speed to like low, cause it's gonna lag most of the time. So the recommended thing I would use is 10 for Cookie Clickers. So let's go. Go to Cookie Clicker. I'm making like a lot of money, like that. So I'm in a lot of cookies. And yeah, so let's get started. I graded them 12 offline products and like level 17. So let's get started. And it's gonna lag most of the time, so it's not your yeah. So I'm making a lot and lots and lots. It's gonna lag most of the time, but you will get lots. So yeah. Well, I'm just gonna like not play it. And it's gonna lag most of the time, so you gotta wait. Gotta wait. Hold on. Oh, I should go for like 6.5 recommended settings. And come on, load. Taking forever. Oh, that's the end of that. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. And there's the Clown Bros 235. Subscribe, like, and comment.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.